Kimberly, and welcome back to my channel. So I have my baby with me, Brad.
Hi.
Yes. So guys, and look at that Pepper. She was like racing.
Yeah.
She was racing down in here because
She always thinks she's getting her monthly boxes.
Yes, guys. So yeah, guys. The reason why I have Brad in here is because I want him to see what I got for the month of May for my Ivory Clasp.
So you get to see my reaction as well, because some people thought her last video that she was being ungrateful. I'd rather her be honest and not waste the money, because Ivory Clasp has a guarantee that if you don't like it, you can send it back and get a refund or a different purse.
Yeah.
We did a different purse, but this is May 1st.
It's May, and the last time is I got a comment from someone that she said that I'm being ungrateful, like what Brad said, but I think she missed me saying that from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much, baby, but I apologize that I did not really like it. You know, like I said, I'd rather be honest to my reviews than like, you know, like say, oh, this is what I like. And you know what, but she was correct on one thing, that I did not take the quiz. Brad did, but even though he did it, it's still the bag the bag that they sent me is not even on his list.
Nope.
So it was like you know, we were just saying, you know, but I do understand you, whoever you are that who posted that comment, and you're just being really honest. But like I said, you know, I might miss some subscribers, but I'd rather be honest. So I have Brad as well because I couldn't find the scissors, so he's using the screwdriver to open it for me. And so yeah, guys, thank you so much, baby. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be the, you know, that's the reason why I want to unbox it like right in front of the camera, so you can see my reaction. It's like not scripted or anything, right? So this is May. I took the quiz now because Brad told me that go ahead and take the quiz and maybe they will send you a different one. So I did it myself now. So now we'll find out if Brad will still continue it
or cancel it.
Yes. So let's go ahead and find out what I got for the month of May. And you know what, guys? This time it's a pretty huge box.
Look.
And
it's coming with like a separate,
and they send me an extra necklace. Yes, that's pretty cool. And this is how it looks, guys.
That's actually kind of cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna open it because I want you to see, guys, what the style of this necklace. And Pepper,
it's not for you.
Papa, it's not for you.
Papa.
Look.
Pepper.
Like, Pepper, no.
Sit.
Thank you.
Come here. Come here.
Yeah. So guys, like
for you.
So guys, look at the necklace. It's like there is a thing like this,
cool.
you know. It's really cool. I really like it. Thank you so much, Ivory Clasp, for giving me this free necklace. You know, this is really greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. And no, this one is they send like all the time, like this, I think. And let's see, oh, with the signature of this. Thank you. We hope you enjoy your new handbag. We really appreciate your support. Enjoy, from Rachel, Savannah, Sarah, and the other one is I couldn't really read it, but they did sign it, so thank you so much. So now I know you've been waiting for me to unbox it. You know what, I have a feeling. Yeah, I do have a feeling that I think that I'm gonna love it because the handle, there's a handle.
It's a big purse.
This is from
AVI.
That one is kind of hard to read because accessories. No, accessories. Vitaminets. Guys, I'm sorry, I can't read it.
I think that's French.
Yeah, that's probably French, and I don't wanna mispronounce it, so
I don't know purses except like, you know, Louis Vuitton, like the common, like expensive, like, you know, high end. I only know that because of her. I don't really know. So
yeah, guys, this is really a huge box, and my God, oh God, baby, my thing is gonna die.
Your battery's gonna die.
Yeah, you have to get the.
I gotta go get another battery.
Another battery. So if in case guys that we got cut off, I'm sorry. I will definitely continue, but right now my battery is blinking. So let's see this. What is the new bag for the month of May? Oh, this one, guys. Okay, this month of May is I love this purse. It's in a black and black color and with the handle.
Battery.
And it's pretty big.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, it's really spacious. I really like it. And
Win! Win!
yay, thank you. And there comes with a strap, so I can either use it as a handbag and a strap.
So gentlemen, if you get your woman a surprise.
Okay guys, we are back.
What I was saying before I was cut off, which it cut me off, is that men, if you get your woman this surprise purse thing, don't. Let her fill the survey out. Try to find a sneaky way of doing it without her realizing it, but it's almost impossible.
Yeah, it is impossible, especially if
It
the
asks
man
a lot of questions.
forgot something.
She's got paper.
Yeah. So yeah guys, like I was saying earlier before it just got off, is it comes with a strap. It's a very long strap and like this. Let's open this one. So this is the strap, guys. This looks like a genuine leather, or if not, this is really a nice one. So what I do like about this is like if I have a strap bag, I want it to be a like this, how you adjust it like that. It's not like with the hole, because even though there's a hole and I'm pretty small, like I said, you know, it's not gonna be good. So with like this adjust, it's really good. So thank you so much, Ivory Clasp, and definitely they listened to my quiz, the survey that I did. So I guess that will be continuing of this.
Maybe we'll see what the next one is.
Yes. So yeah guys, I'm very spacious inside, as you can see there. Ta-da! This is the bag that I really like, and there is a side pocket right here, the zipper. So this is really like very fashionable, and this is like literally the kind of bag that I really want. Like it's like literally like this. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Greatly appreciate it.
She wants the paper.
Yeah. So yeah guys, this
baby,
is for the month of May, and this is how it looks. There you go. And Pepper is just squeeze herself in here.
She's trying to get the necklace.
She's trying to get this necklace. You see how she's looking? Yeah. Oh, huh? You see? Oh. So yeah.
Have you ever met a dog with expensive taste?
Yeah. Oh, look. Look at that buddy.
She likes makeup, she likes paper, she likes moving this stuff on the
So yeah guys, this is for the month of May. Thank you so much, Ivory Clasp, and thank you so much for sending this necklace. It's really a gift, so that was unexpected. So while I'm opening my Ivory Clasp, I'm down with this month of May, is when Brad sent back the April, they did send
I didn't do a refund. I asked for a replacement, thinking that it wouldn't take that long.
So they sent a replacement. It didn't really take that long because they've already sent this one.
Like what, a week ago?
Yeah, but thank you so much, Ivory Clasp, and let's see and find out what is gonna be my first impression for this April, the replacement after I took the quiz. Baba.
This is the chaos of our life. If I can open
Our Rottweiler. She's not.
She's nosy.
Yeah, because you know, because on Brad's channel, A Geeky Guy, I'll definitely link the channel. Is they have this opening, the unboxing of this Bully Make and
Bark Box, and Paw Pal and Loot Pets and
so,
tons of stuff.
And so she thinks that every time that Brad comes down with the box, she thinks that this is for her. So yeah guys, so like what I was saying, this is for the April review.
Did they?
Oh.
They do.
Oh, it's the same necklace. So what I showed, I'm not really sure.
Put that in a giveaway?
Yeah.
That's the same necklace.
Oh God, I can already see the sneak peek of this April replacement.
I know what that one is. That one's actually really cute.
It looks so cute, guys. I'm so excited. So this one is I got a card from Elle and I guess it's like Rachel again. I'm not sure. But thank you so much, Ivory Clasp. And let's see the April replacement. And like I said, by looking at it, they did really, really good job, guys.
Oh, what is that?